Wow, this is video number 6 in a 9-part video series called Breathwork for Leaders, Nervous System Mastery with Heather Ann Ferri. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, this is the time to do so. Get on that playlist. And if you haven't done the first 5 videos, go back, grab a notebook and pen, schedule it in, learn the foundation. This is more like the Ferri University. This is just the beginning of so much repertoire and library that we really need to have in our school systems, in our leadership programs, so that we can start to know what we need and when we need it. So welcome. This is video number 6, and I'm going to give you some notes, and then we're going to do another. I'm trying to see how long this breath, I think it's 3 minutes long, so not too long today. The last 3 are much longer, so preparing you for this. I want you just to sit back, listen to the notes, and tomorrow write down those notes, write down the breath meditation, and you're starting to learn how to be your own healer, your own science of what's going on with you emotionally and mentally. So this is wonderful. This is like, stepping into self-love. Congratulations on that. So these are my notes. We're balancing the nerves and the glandular system with this today. So there's like a 2-part set, which deals with energy and mood, which deals with your leadership presence. When these systems are out of balance, we know what that feels like. We're scattered, we're reactive, we're overwhelmed, we're running for our addictions. And I was a big sugar addiction, so I know what that's about. I'm going to show you in a minute what our hands are going to be. And what the breath pattern is: a long, deep 15 to 20 seconds. And you're really linking your higher self with your breath. That self that's tapping into developing your intuition, working with the unknown, coming up with creative, inventive, new ways of doing business that helps the collective, that nurtures Mother Earth. We exhale fully, and then this is the key. We hold the breath out for 15 to 20 seconds. And then we continue this pattern for 3 minutes total. Let me review that again. Long, deep inhale for 15 to 20 seconds. That's what we're working on. We exhale. And once the exhale's done, we hold the breath out for 15 to 20 seconds. And then we continue. Now your hands are in a mudra. I'll explain that in a moment. Long inhale nourishes the nervous system. When we hold the breath out, it resets the glandular system. Okay, so this is just sort of brings your system back into alignment quickly. This is great to do midday on your lunch break before an important meeting, when you feel scattered, or when you just need that quick, I need to center myself again. Because we know when the nervous system is balanced, that's when leadership becomes magnetic. Okay, and I just want to let you know that the next video on Monday is energy boost for leaders, right nostril fire breath activation. That's actually a short meditation. It's really video 8 and video 9 that are much longer. So I've been preparing you with these short breath meditations, teaching you some science to understand why you're doing what you're doing. And obviously journal any emotions that come up, any body sensations that come up. And if you need to work with somebody, whether it's myself or your own therapist or coach, practitioner, that's important to do. And okay, so we are going to have our hands interlaced and the thumbs up, the ego, balancing out the masculine and the feminine. So that's balancing the ego. The hands are at the heart level, leading with compassion. And we're interlacing We're supporting higher conscious masculine and feminine leadership. This is where we know we're in a new earth, a new environment. And so I'm going to talk you through this set, sitting up nice and tall. Feel free to close your eyes, or you can look straight ahead if that's more comfortable for you. Take a long, deep inhale. Feel the belly expand. Take a long exhale through the nose, cleaning the air. Now hold the breath out. Long, deep inhale. Long exhale. And hold the breath out. Long, deep inhale. Long exhale. And hold the breath out. Long, deep inhale. Exhale. 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 And hold the breath out. And rub those hands together. Good job. I really love that one. Let me know in the comments which video, which breath you're really enjoying in this process. The next one, video 7, it's a short breath. Video 8, you're going to learn a 20-minute set. We're going to now start to incorporate several breath patterns. This is for traveling. Believe it or not, you can do it at the airport. We want to be able to do this anywhere. You could be doing it sitting, waiting to go into the eye doctor appointment. Video 9 is a 11-minute breath meditation that is in the CPTSD brain protocol that I teach and work with. And if that's something that you want to teach your staff, or if you're a nonprofit for anything in regards to victims, very, very important. You might want to purchase my book manual, Transcending Victim to Goddess, on Amazon. This is part 1, 133 questions free medical meditations. We do go into some breath science here, and this is preparing us for part number 2. I would love to come in as a guest speaker, do a program for you that's customized. And the best way to reach out is through my email, youmatter108@gmail.com. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel, and I send you many blessings today. Bye.